In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find missing orders in your eBay purchase history. Full fix. If an order seems to have disappeared, don't worry. In many cases, the purchase is still there, but it may be hidden by a filter, archived, linked to a different account, or placed as a guest checkout. We'll walk through the most effective ways to track it down. First, open eBay on the website or in the app and sign in to the account you used when making the purchase. This is important, especially if you've ever used more than one eBay account. A missing order is often just attached to a different login. Once you're signed in, go to My eBay and then open Purchase History. This is where eBay shows your recent orders, deliveries, cancellations, and returns. If the order isn't visible right away, check the filter at the top of the page. Try switching between options like the last 60 days, last year, or older purchases. Sometimes the order is simply outside the current date range. Next, use the search bar inside Purchase History. Search for the item name, the seller name, or keywords from the original listing. This can be especially helpful if the order is older or buried among many purchases. You should also check your archived orders. eBay allows orders to be archived, and if one was moved there by mistake, it won't appear in the main list. If you find it, restore it back to your regular purchase history. If the order is still missing, verify that you're using the correct account. Some purchases are made with another eBay account or through guest checkout, which means they may not appear in your normal history at all. If needed, sign in with any alternate account you may have used. Another useful step is checking your email inbox for the order confirmation. Search for phrases like order confirmed, eBay purchase, or the item name itself. These emails can help you find the order number, seller details, and purchase date. If you bought the item as a guest, use the guest order tracking option from the confirmation email. Also compare the eBay mobile app and the desktop website, since occasional sync issues can make an order appear on one platform, but not the other. You can also refresh your account data by logging out, clearing your browser cache, signing back in, and refreshing the purchase history page. If needed, review your payment records through your payment provider to confirm the date, amount, and merchant details. Then check canceled orders, returns, and refunds in case the purchase was moved there. If you still can't find it, contact the seller if you have their information from the receipt and ask for order status, tracking, or transaction confirmation. As a final step, contact eBay support through the official help center with the order details, payment information, and approximate purchase date so they can help locate the missing purchase.